I have the Galaxy S26 here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to perform a factory data reset with this phone. You should be aware that the steps I show you here today will work exactly the same on the larger Galaxy S26 Plus, and this will all work the same on the more premium Galaxy S26 Ultra as well. And I'll be showing you both methods of resetting your phone here today. Because even if you are not able to boot into Android, if you are in a boot loop, for example, then you can still factory reset your Galaxy S26. You just need to know the correct method. For everyone who is able to boot into Android, and you're simply looking for where to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S26, then you may actually first want to remove the Google account from your device. And this is especially important if you plan on selling it or if you're just getting rid of the phone altogether, because you can get locked out of your device if you are unable to log into your Google account after a factory data reset, if it's still attached to your phone. Now, when you're ready to format the Galaxy S26, we do this by first launching into the Settings application, and from here, look for the General Management menu and tap into it. And then you're going to look all the way down to the bottom of this page, as you should see a Reset option here. Go ahead and tap on that, and it's going to ask you which type of reset you want to perform. So if you're here to completely erase your phone, then you'll be choosing the Factory Data Reset option from the bottom of this page here. Just confirm that this is what you want to do at the next screen, and you'll be able to watch as the Galaxy S26 reboots. It erases all of your user data before rebooting again, and then you'll be taken back to the Android activation screen. Now, what if your smartphone is currently in a boot loop, meaning that it never actually boots into the Android firmware, and instead, it just keeps restarting over and over again at a specific point during the boot sequence? Or if your Galaxy S26 Plus gets hung while trying to boot up and just never reaches the Android lock screen, then you have something more serious going on with your device, and you're going to need to use a USB cable and a hardware button combination to fix. So go and grab a USB cable that's connected to a data connection, like a PC, a video game console, or a pair of USB headphones. Now, if you're able to power down the phone, then do so now. But if it's in a boot loop and you don't have control of this, then you'll need to time this just right. Because the goal here is to plug in the USB cable into the bottom of the phone. Then we wait until the phone is turned off. And as soon as you see that screen go black, quickly press and hold the power button and the volume up buttons at the same time. And we continue holding these two buttons down through this screen here. Keep holding the buttons when you see the Galaxy boot logo. And if it was timed correctly, you'll find that you have finally gained access to this recovery mode menu on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series phone. And it's in this menu that you will see an option for performing a factory reset and wiping all of the data from your device. We just have to use the volume buttons to highlight that option, and then press the power button to select the option that is highlighted. Again, we want to confirm this is what you want done with your Galaxy S26 Ultra, and your phone will reboot on its own. This will allow the phone to format itself, and then it will reboot again automatically. So from here, you wait patiently, because it will take a little bit longer to boot up than normal, but you will be brought to the Android activation screen.